For decades, education has followed a standard of mass production: one course, one curriculum, one pace. When a system is built for 1 million people at once, it assumes a uniform starting line that doesn't exist. By trying to serve everyone, these structures fail to address the specific needs of any single person. Real education requires a map that begins where you are currently standing. A mentor assesses your specific starting point before they ever begin to teach. But a static curriculum doesn't know how you think. If the way you process information doesn't match the way the course is recorded, you end up fighting the format instead of learning the material. Traditional systems also have no way to recognize your specific points of friction. They simply continue forward, even if you are struggling to grasp a foundational concept. This creates a one-way broadcast. It lacks the continuous exchange of information and adjustment that characterizes a genuine dialogue between student and teacher. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy took this factory model and put it online. They replaced the physical lecture hall with a digital one, but kept the one-directional flow of information intact. In this linear model, you move through identical modules. If the pace is too fast, you simply fall behind. The curriculum marches forward regardless, ignoring your changing needs, leaving you stuck in a disconnected path. This leads to a model where progress is measured by video completion. You are pushed into the next module because you reached the end of a playback bar, not because you understood the content. There is a difference between consuming a video and building a skill. When platforms confuse the two, they create a measurable but ultimately empty sense of progress. DayOneAI replaces the rigid platform model with an adaptive mentor. It is designed to mold its entire structure to the specific requirements of the individual. It is background agnostic. Whether you come from enterprise sales, tech, marketing, or have no technical experience at all, the system meets you at your current level of expertise. This chart shows how the system maps you. Before you begin learning, it plots your specific asymmetrical skills to identify exactly what you already know and what you don't. By establishing this baseline, the system creates a bespoke path. You don't follow a generic syllabus. You follow a trajectory that addresses your specific knowledge gaps. This approach stops you from wasting time on redundant material. You bypass what you already understand, which focuses your energy on building actual competency where it is needed most. The path is updated daily. The system tracks your performance over time to evaluate how your understanding is evolving and where your retention is highest. The AI analyzes responses in real time. Your performance dictates the exact structure of the next step. When you encounter difficulty, the system introduces a review loop, generating new explanations. This ensures you grasp the concept before the path continues. This ensures that moving forward is an indicator of mastery. You only progress to subsequent material once your interactions prove you have grasped the current concept. This creates an environment where learning is personal and continuous. The system remembers every interaction, constantly refining how it teaches to match your pace. Aligning the speed of instruction with the speed of individual comprehension changes the mechanism of education. It moves the focus from the broad broadcast of content to the verification of individual understanding. DayOneAI is currently in beta and is free to use. You can access the tool today to begin building your own personalized learning path. Developing a truly personalized system requires a wide range of user feedback. By exploring the beta, you provide the data needed to refine this model and help build the future of adaptive learning.